This is an A14 CPU. An A14 belongs to 12 Pro, 12 Mini, and 12 Pro Max. But this exact CPU belongs to 12 Pro Max. So the phone has an issue. It wasn't turning on. When it gets to some point from my DC, it will drop. So I opted for a CPU swap. Guys, follow me as we do the CPU swap. All the necessary components have been moved. I have moved the NAND, which is the memory, the CPU, which is the major thing. Then I've moved the logic EEPROM, which enables the device to turn on. Then let's turn on the upper board and see if everything went fine. Our 12 Pro Max CPU swap, port swap, was successful. The device turned on and the owner's information were inside. Kindly like and follow me for more. Thanks. 这把直接和，愿花钱交朋友。他艺高人长大，让他想满3条酒。回馈下社会先，我的那顶皇冠后，找你做事人太。